Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace the hood latch on Mercedes W211 E-Class. So if yours is broken or needs to be replaced, okay, we'll show you guys how to remove the whole latch if you need to install a new one. So this is it right here, pretty simple design, okay, and if it breaks you can actually reach it by hand from the outside or with a wire and pull it, okay, to open it. But if you need to replace it, okay, all you have to do, you have two nuts there with 10mm socket we need to remove. Alright guys, and the whole latch is out of there now, as you can see. So you can see guys, not very complicated at all, less than a minute work. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and... So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.